everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation. It's look beautiful. Let's see how it's look like. You see, it's pretty amazing. Let's create it. At first, we need to create these shapes. How we can create them? If we insert a new slide, a blank slide, we paste a rectangle. But the important thing is that how we create this tree. Okay, at first I'm going to align this rectangle here in the middle and in the center. Okay, now I reduce it in size a little by holding Control. Now I press Control and then click to copy that by holding Shift. You can copy that in the perfect way. And then I am going to reduce it in size and then hold Control and copy that to another way. Okay, now I select 3 of them. I'm going to set the shape outline to none. You see we have a little white here. I'm going to fix it. Okay, now we need to create these effects. How we can create them? It's easy. We go here. Here we have in the shadows, inner shadows that create that effect. We are going to select all these 3 and give them some inner shadows. Okay, we created that. Now we need to align them. You see in the down we have some problem. I'm going to bring it to the top. Okay, everything is fixed. Now we need to increase it in size a little and decrease it from here. Okay, everything is okay. Now we need to color them up. I'm going to color this green. I'm going to go with blue. And also we can use some orange here. It's nice. Now you need to add this icon from the icons in insert here. I don't have internet for that now. When you copy that, paste it here. Okay. This text is just a simple text. How I created that? Let me create this text. So I just simply write cat here. Then select the text, and here I use overdrive sunset. I installed this text and told you how to install this point. Okay, and after that I place an enter for that to become in the better place. Okay, it's good. Now you see this thing must go a little back down. Okay, everything is ready. Now these are those 2 text. I just simply going to copy them because they are nothing special. I just simply after copying them, I increase them in size. Everything is ready. Now I need to create the effects. How we can create the effects? At first we need to select all of these and go here and group them. Then we copy that and we select all of them and go to shape and align them middle. No, align them center. Now we set the transition of this slide to morph. You see we have a little problem. Can you guess what? Why we have the problem? You see here. Because of what? Because that in this slide they are grouped, but in this slide they are not grouped. For that we cut this slide and copy this slide. Select all of them, go to shape format and align them middle and center. Now we run it again. We run it again. You see, it looks pretty amazing. If you like this kind of video, we have many of them in my channel. Until then, have a